Hey everyone, welcome to the TMC Technologies FlexCAST. It is the TMC Technologies podcast where we explore the cutting edge of satellite innovation, cybersecurity, and digital twin technology. I'm your host, John Dahlia, and joining me is TMC Technologies Chief Engineer, Dr. Scott Zemerick. Scott, thanks for being here.
Thank you, John.
Let's dive right in and talk a little bit about cybersecurity and how securing assets in lower Earth orbits, small satellites, as an example, is the thing that the industry is working on, concerned about, and what's a big topic it seems to be. How does the FlexSat and SSDT, the small satellite digital twin products, kind of relate to that and work with cybersecurity?
So right now, satellite security is very important to the nation. Satellites are considered critical infrastructure. They are becoming embedded in everything we do, from telecommunications to the Department of Defense. TMC's products, the SmallSat Digital Twin, it is a virtual satellite. It is very highly realistic. It provides people a satellite in a box that they can do their development on. They can do their flight software development, their testing, without actually hurting a real satellite. This is perfect for cybersecurity purposes,
right? Because
you have a realistic environment that now acts like it's an exact satellite. You can test your cybersecurity technologies. You can test your intrusion detection, your firewalls, completely with a digital twin environment.
And it enables, as you explained to me, the cyber testing, as you said, but also cyber training and the digital twin side of it, which is, again, the virtual satellite in a sense, in a box that you have on your laptop. How does the FlexSat, or really the SSDT, kind of enable the training and those aspects of cybersecurity?
Imagine a room where every operator who's in training can have their own digital satellite. Now they are able to perform cybersecurity testing, analysis, and training and look for malicious activity, and it becomes a type of game. So now you can easily deploy TMC's SSDT to a large training number of people and then let them learn how this works in real life using a digital twin.
Okay, Scott. Well, that's really, really incredible about how the small satellite digital twin really it can help with cybersecurity and securing these assets in low Earth orbit. How does the FlexSat work regarding cybersecurity? I mean, because that's more of a hardware. How does that actually assist and help in cybersecurity for the satellites?
FlexSat is TMC's hardware-in-the-loop version of the digital twin. You can first use the digital twin for your prototyping and your development. Then when you want to run it on real flight hardware that's exactly like satellite hardware, you purchase TMC's FlexSat, and that gives you higher fidelity. And now you essentially have a satellite sitting on a table that allows you to do cybersecurity analyses, experimentation, and training too.
Wow. So really, it's the full life cycle, in a sense, of cybersecurity for the small satellites.
The two of them combined really complement each other in that you have the digital twin part where you first start. It's excellent for training large groups of people, but then FlexSat itself is more hardware and it gives you exact realism of a satellite all sitting on your table.
Thanks very much, Scott. I appreciate you joining me. This was FlexCAST, our first podcast all about cybersecurity and digital twin technologies related to, and innovation, of course, related to small satellites. And again, Scott, thanks for being here. We will have more of these podcasts in the future. We will see you soon, folks.
Thank you.